ladies and gentlemen, and as always, thank you for watching. Today we are under an extreme heat warning. Apparently, we've been called by the Scott City Police Department, and from what they're gathering, a person didn't have air conditioning in their car and they passed out while driving due to the heat and hit the guardrails. As always, we ask for prayers, good thoughts, well wishes for all involved. Anyway, here we go. They did ask expedite because they are blocking traffic and traffic is backed up. Give way to the ambulance. I'd say they got traffic backed up. Whoa, wrong way. wait until the ambulance crew gets out the way.
Yeah.
Everybody all right?
Yeah. She's a little out of it. She's confused.
Hot?
I guess.
Heat exhaustion?
They said she was doing about 20 northbound.
Wow.
And just drifted over and slid into it. And
it can happen.
When the guy behind her got up to her, she was having convulsions.
Oh, gosh.
We're going to run her, make sure she's okay, take her to the hospital.
Okay. Well, I'll probably just, if I can get in, I'll just back it up and get around and get in front of it while they're doing their thing. That way I can be ready to roll out when they are. As long as you're okay with me moving it. Got all your measurements and everything? Uh-oh. We're going to have to Dukes of Hazzard this one. Yo!
A little different getting in that way, isn't it?
Dukes of Hazzard style, man. But if I can give myself enough room between here and the ambulance, I can get this thing loaded and be ready and get out of here.
Do you have a card on you?
I do.
I just figured I'd leave one with her that way. That way when mom or dad beat her in the hospital.
Yep. Got it. There you go, Ben. All right, guys, I'm gonna sneak around here and get in front of it. No, I just backed it right off of it. I mean,
I knew she didn't hit it too hard.
If she wasn't impaired or whatever, she could drive it. But I know how heat can do you. I've had it happen to me. Ain't no fun. All right, here we go. Really, I don't care as long as we all get out of here safely.
Yeah.
You need anything out of here?
I need to take a picture of her insurance. I gotta get my phone.
I'm not gonna get carried away with it. Get it tied down so we can get it off the road. Get out of here. And then we'll tie her down the rest of the way when we get off the road. They're ready to clear. I am too.
Thank you.
See you guys. Yes, sir.
Quit.
All right. Once we start rolling again, we have to go to ambers. Now that we're leaving the scene. No red and blues when you leave the scene. Red and blues going to and at the scene, but ambers only once you leave. And then if the vehicle is secured to the deck, you're not even required to have those. In Missouri anyway, some states do. But, all right, I'm gonna go down here, probably pull into the school parking lot and finish tying her down, head to the shop, hope and pray that the person's all right. As always, we do ask for prayers, good thoughts, well wishes for all involved. Okay, now I know that some of you are going to be questioning why that was a code response. In Missouri and in other states, there's what they call rapid scene clearance. Even though there may not be immediate danger to life, there is the strong possibility for the traffic backup of secondary accidents, other accidents. You saw how quickly we worked that incident and traffic is still backed up. Secondary accidents are very dangerous. It's dangerous for the responders, it's dangerous for other motorists out on the interstates. That is why the state of Missouri sometimes asks us to expedite so that we minimize the risk to other motorists of damage and injury. It's not always for the vehicle or the person that we're going after. It's for the secondary and other crashes that could occur based on the first crash. As you can see, they're still backed up. This is several miles worth of backup over a relatively quick grab and go. So anyway, hopefully that explains it. I know a lot of you don't agree, but that is the Missouri state law, and that is some of the reasoning behind allowing certain tow companies to run red blues. Again, we ask for prayers, good thoughts, well wishes for all involved. Head back to the shop and try to stay out of this heat. As always, thank you for watching. God bless.